Okay, fine. I think in the last class I gave you surprise test. So all did the three questions. So it was all from question paper problems only. So any difficulties anyone in that? Anybody wants to solve that or should I proceed for the remaining topic? If anybody wants three problems to be done, we will repeat. Then we'll move on to the next topic. Sakshi, triple
Sir,
one.
can you repeat first problem?
Okay, fine. So let me share the screen. Just screen is visible here. I think PPT is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the last class, I gave three problems for you people to solve as a what, surprise test. Correct? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Just a second. I think this was a question. Yeah, is it visible? Question is visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So you look at the question. So they are given a physical system for you. They are given a physical system for you. And what are things they have asked you? They ask you to get a mechanical network followed by equations of motion, nothing but your equilibrium equation only. Okay. So then followed by your FI analogy. So three category they have asked. So it may be for 8 marks. So if they ask FE also, it would have went till 12 marks. Okay. You look at the question. I think this part is for what, this part is for what is clearly mentioned, right? So where is M1? I think you can see this inside small box is M1, right?
Yes,
Everyone?
sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So outside that is your M2 and outside to that is M3. So it means you need to debug what are the things present for M1 itself, then M2 separately between M1 and M2, then comes M3. So look at the question. So here it is X1. For this they are given X1 and this is for X2 and this is for X3. So now you should tell me where is force applying? Is it applied for
X3.
M1, M2? Good.
X3. M3.
So it is applied for M3. Okay, na? So it means you have to take force only at mass 3, at node 3. X3 you should consider. You're not supposed to take at X1 and X2. That is the first criteria. Over. So next, marking of X1 only. So X1 only means what all things you have, you
M1.
can tell me. Good.
M1.
M1 is there. Okay.
That's all, sir.
That's all, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because K1 is between your M2 and M1. Send up.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, you can see one dashpot is there, B1, they have arrow mark. And again, this is also between your M1 and M2. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. So coming to K2, K2 is between what and what now?
M2 and M3.
M2 and M3. Good. So anything else is there for your second node? So you can mark M2 and K2 between your M2 and M3. That's all. Huh? Between M2 and M3, you have one more also here. What is that?
B2.
B2. So don't forget this also. It look like small thing here, right? So you should connect between M2 and M3. There is B2 also. So then coming only to M3, you can see only to M3 there is B3.
FE.
Force, good. Force is there.
B2.
Then
B3.
P3 is there. M3 will
M3.
come. That's all. Huh?
Yes, sir.
So if you represent this in a diagram way, that will become your equivalent mechanical system. Is it fine, Satya?
Sir, outer electrical systems.
Pardon? How to?
Outer
How to write
electrical
electrical
system.
system?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
let me take. Let me keep both aside. Okay, both are visible, huh?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So let's move on. So how many nodes you have? Just mark the number of nodes. So you have x1. So leave sufficient space for the connection x2 and x3. Okay, Napa. So 3 nodes are there. So designate that x1, x2, and x3. See, if you're able to write the mechanical system, same way you have to replicate your electrical system with respect to F5. Okay, na? So let me plot first this one. So now you should tell me what is there only for M1, guys. So I can connect for X1, M1 confirm adappa.
Yes, sir.
So M1 baritini, okay, amele. So only for X1, anything else is there only?
No, sir.
That's all. So I
Yes,
can
sir.
connect this given to ground. Good. Amele appa. X2 get draw. So X2 anyhow M2 will come. Okay, then only M2 in your there.
Only M.
Second mass, anything else is there? Nothing, no?
No, sir. Nothing, nothing.
Okay, so now you tell me between X1 and X2, what all things will come?
K1.
B1, K1.
So I can connect a dash pot, and this should be parallel to your K1 also. So K1 means it's a spring. Sign up, huh? So this is your B1. Is it B1? Yeah, B1. And what about K? K1, huh? Okay. Anything else is there in between M1, M2? I mean X1, X2?
No, sir.
Okay, so let's move on to your second node. Between X2 and X3, how many terms you have here?
K2, B2.
2.
So you have K2 as well as B2.
B2.
So again, same combination, connect in parallel. So connect a dashboard. Is it visible what I'm writing?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so B2 is there, followed by K2 is there. Good. So B2 and K2. So anything else is there between X2, X3?
No, sir.
Okay, X3 only. X3
M3,
only you can
B3.
connect.
force.
Start with M3. M3 will come, then followed by what? Yeah, force.
Force.
Force you can consider. So always remember arrow mark should be inside because it is the main point. It's going into your system. So this is f of t. Only for x3. I think this also there.
B3.
B3 is also there. So we can mention a dashboard B3. That's all. So common ground you can connect. B3. Anything is there between X1 and B3, X3? X1, X3, anything is there? No, no.
No, sir.
No, sir.
That's it. So all the components are covered.
Yes, sir.
Anything else left out, Satya?
No, sir.
Okay. So now, what is the thing? First category over. So equilibrium equation when you write, so don't write F1 for either X1 or X2. It should be written only for X3. So equilibrium equation you can write now. So 0, then followed by all the components 1, 2, 3. Similarly X2 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then X3 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now f of t equals to. So writing equilibrium equation in doubts?
No, sir.
Good. So now what is the logic they have asked? They have asked Fi logic. So I hope everyone remember what is the conversion we are supposed to do for Fi. So can you tell me what all things has to be changed? If you write that, then whatever equilibrium equation you return, for that you can convert it. Yeah. So what all things I should change, guys?
So mass is L.
So M replaced with L, good. Aidappa, next head up.
B with R.
B, so your dashpot will be replaced with your resistance, good. Amele.
Sir, and K with 1 by C.
So the spring has to replace with reciprocal of your resistor, I mean capacitor. Good. Amelappa, Ashtena. Satya, you should tell now.
F of t is
What
equals
will
to
happen for
force.
so force will be replaced with ಏನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು force ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ
V.
Force current.
current. This is Fi. If it was Fe, you should write V. Now you should current. ಸರಿನಾ?
Yes, sir.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ? That's all. So now whatever changes you have, you replica that in a diagram. That's it. So Fi analogy. What is the thing you want now? From this diagram only you can see, right? So you can make nodes x1, x2, x3. It means like your node 1, 1, 2, 3 node. Okay, na? So now tell me what is the connections I can make only for node 1. Node 1, there is no part of this. M1 is replaced with what here?
L, sir,
Yeah.
inductor.
Inductor. So I need to write an inductor. Okay, fine. Then your inductor L1, I am going to replica. Fine. So your B1 and K1 are in parallel. So how I should write here?
Series.
It should be in series, and that
Yes,
combination should be in parallel to this. Is it so?
Yes, sir.
So what are the things we have to write now? So you want me to write B nothing but your R.
R.
Okay. Then K nothing but what here? Capacitor lapa. So I should write these two in series. So that has to come parallel means what I should do? Now it look like series only, no?
Yes, sir.
What we should be done then? I want answers from your side now. What can be done? Think and tell me. I should not connect F1, I mean L1 and this in a series, that's all. So this combination should be parallel to this. What should be done is the question.
I have made a mistake, sir. Sir, this is Fi analogy, sir.
Fi. Yeah,
Sir,
Fi
then
analogy.
M is C.
You only told it's replaced with L. So is
Sir,
it
no,
L or
sir,
C?
I thought Fv analogy, so I said.
Okay. So you should be careful. Okay. If they ask both, then no problem. Anyhow, you have to write both. But whenever they ask individually, no, you should be careful. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now tell me the changes, Satya.
M is
Mass should be replaced
C.
with. So mass ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ capacitor
C.
ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆನಾ? Okay. B ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 1 by R ಅಪ್ಪ.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. K ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ 1 by L
1
and
by
draw.
L.
1 by L.
Any of force is current only, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Now tell me the diagram how it looks. So where I should write capacitor? I want to write a capacitor now. Yeah. So our B1, K1 become series. So as you told, you can write that in series. So B1, nothing but your resistor. Then K1, nothing but your inductor. So these two are series. Okay. For that I should connect parallel connection. Tell me how to connect now. So this is 1 by R. This is 1 by L. So these two things are connected in series. How to connect a parallel combination is a question. What shall I do? If I connect in between the nodes, it become parallel. See, you have 3 nodes with you. Node 1 is here, node 2 is here, node 3 is here. Now tell me what I should do. What I wrote then in the surprise test. Everyone got 0, na? Yaro bro brother sir, I did copy paste.
Sir, I didn't write electrical system. Only equation.
You didn't write this. You stopped at equation only, then you can't expect full marks, no?
Yes.
Yeah, others, none of them have written electrical system. Sudanva? Am I audible, guys? No voice only?
Yes.
Yeah, how to write equivalent circuit is a question. None of them have written. Sanidhi? Girls? Shobita? Is it audible or not, first of all? Am I audible? Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir, audible.
No one has written FI analogy circuit diagram.
Sir, written, sir, but it's wrong.
That's what I want. See, if you want to rectify, no? See, you told that parallel I should write in series. Okay, written. Then what I should write for this M is a question. You just think what all the possibilities are there. I should write in a parallel.
Yes, sir. In parallel, you should write.
I should write parallel of which one, ma?
Parallel for.
See, okay, first understand what is the thing you should do. See, whenever you are tracing your FI analogy, try to mark the nodes because it is based on KCL, right? So node markation is important. Sorry, na? So I can designate my X as V1, then V2, then V3. This first point is okay, na, Largo?
Yes, sir.
So now, whichever things we have, we'll try to do. It doesn't mean that you should go here only, anta. So just look at where is force. Force is occurred for my X3. Correct? So it means
Yes,
what? I should connect my current to my V3 anta gottagatte. Okay, na? So let me make a current. So we'll go one by one, not an issue. So let's current connect ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ. So this is given to ground. Force part ಮುಗಿತು. Saina, now you tell me this B3 followed by what? Your M3
3.
are in parallel. So you want me to connect same way?
Series.
It should be in series, huh? Okay, between V2 and V3 you have two connections. One is B2, one is K3. That should be in series, apa? So can I connect dashpot is replaced with resistor, huh? So right resistor
Yes,
here.
sir.
Then your spring is replaced with inductor, apa?
Inductor.
So inductor. So this two become series, sarinapa. So this is your
Yes.
1 by R2, R12, yeah, 1 by R2, and similarly 1 by L3. So 1 by L3. So this connection is done. So similarly, between your X1, X2, V1, V2, we are again same logic. So connect 1 by R1 and 1 by L1. So any doubts, anyone, Tilia? So
Sir.
what we did, first mark the nodes,
Sir, that is
then wherever,
capacitor, sir.
yado? No, B1 and K1 alwe, no? It's 1 by R1, 1 by L1 alapa. Between X1, X2.
Sir, between V2 and V3, sir.
V2, V3, Where is capacitor? It's B2 and K3 alva.
Sir, in electrical systems.
What is B replaced with? You tell me. B is replaced with 1 by R.
Yes, sir.
K is replaced with 1 by L, 1 by C. Na. It's 1 by L. Tane.
Sir, not there, sir. In electrical system.
You're talking about this?
No, no, sir.
You're talking about this?
Not there, sir. In electrical system, sir.
Electrical system, you're not a written only, no, we're writing.
No, sir. Here you have written on, sir. There 1 by L1.
This one? This
Yes,
one?
sir. That is capacitor, no, sir.
This is C, huh?
Yes, sir. Mass, no, sir.
You first tell me the equivalent things what we wrote. This is it correct or wrong? Mass
That is correct,
is replaced with capacitor.
Yes, sir.
Then where is
there
mass? B2 and K3 is what replaced between no alapa. See, capacitor will come whenever there is a mass, correct now?
Okay, sir.
I have not yet written yet. I have just writing what is the thing between V2 and V3. So between V2, B2 was there, I replaced with R2, and K3 was there, replaced L3. Where is the picture of capacitor in this junction? Tell me. Any capacitor will come here?
No, sir.
These two parallel I have written in series. That's it. Nothing else. Okay now.
Okay, sir.
Don't make confusion. Okay. Understand clearly.
Okay.
We have written. I am writing Fi analogy. How many nodes we have? V1, V2, V3. So first thing what I wrote, where is force? That is replaced with current. That is only for V3 I written. That's all. Then between V2 and V3, you add B2 and K3. But both are in parallel. According to logic, that should be in series. Okay na?
Okay, sir.
Similarly, between X1 and X2, you have B1 and K1. So I'm replacing that with 1 by R1 and 1 by L1. Yeah, others, is it fine till here?
Yes, sir.
See, things which are parallel should come in series and series should be in parallel. That's all. That is a logic. So we wrote this much. So after this, tell me. So now this X1 consisting of M1 and that should be replaced with your C1. So what should be connected? So shall I connect this capacitor here? Shall I connect capacitor only to my V1?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is your C1. Sorry, na? Sorry, Andrew.
Yes,
Then
sir.
what is there
Yes, sir.
for V2? What is there for V2? You have only C2.
M2.
So M2 jagale replace with C2. So this is grounded. So this is your C2. What is there only for V3? एक बार लिखता होगे. See, these are all parallel, right? So your B3, M3 are in parallel. So how I should connect?
In series.
In series connect ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Current source ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. If you connect current source in series, is it going to be right or wrong?
Wrong.
Then
Wrong, sir.
you should connect however it is there. See, current is a major thing, right? So for current, we know that any RLC element should be parallel only. Why you will connect series? So this is a mistake you will commit. If it was voltage, you can connect in series. But if it is in current, you should not connect again series. If I connect C here, your M3 is replaced with capacitor C. If it's connected in series to your current source, is it right?
No, sir.
So you should follow the same procedure what you learned earlier. Okay, na? So capacitor ke, I mean current ke everything should be parallel. So what is the thing you have here? Your M3 and B3. So what can be replaced? B3 and Barbedappa. So B3 nothing but your, yes. So replace that with a resistor. No? So replace that with a resistor. Okay. So this is connected to your 1 by R3. See, that always should be parallel to your current. Don't connect in series. Similarly, what is your M3? M3 replaced with your capacitor C3. So connect a capacitor C3. This going to be given to ground. So this is what your Fi analogy. Any difficulties now, guys? Anything we left out here? Everything covered?
Yes.
Everything covered. See, only mistake you will commit in this junction. So be careful. Always remember, you stick on to your normal process. Current means what all things should be there. It should be everything in parallel. If it is voltage means series. That much you remember. So same diagram, if we write for FV analogy, so what should be replaced here? Current force is replaced with voltage. Huh? That time you can connect this two in series. Correct and raw.
Sir.
ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಡೌಟ್ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಇನ್ನು FI ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಬರೆಯೋದು?
No, sir.
Is it fine, Satya?
Yes, sir.
So don't make confusions. So what are the right equivalent first? What is the thing I want to do? Whether I want to do FI or FE. So according to that, you just, that's why I wrote this step. This is very, very important. If you write this much, no, then remaining all you can do the connections easily, not a problem. Is it okay with this till here?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Any other doubts with that remaining two more problem?
No, sir.
So then I move on to next part.
Sir, in electrical system, if instead of 1 by R, if we wrote only R1, is it okay, sir?
No problem. In the bracket, actually, we used to write. See why we wrote no? Because equivalent is what I supposed to write alappa. So actually, B is replaced with 1 by R. So for that equivalent representation, I'm writing that all. If you write R3 also not a problem, but you should be knowing it's a reciprocal. For that purpose, we have to mention 1 by. Anyway, in equation,
Okay.
you're going to represent same thing, no? So same thing we're writing in diagram also, that's all. Even if you write it as L2, K2, not an issue. You can see a few textbook will write like this also. Let me show that also. Say I've written 1 by R, no? So you can write, as you said, I can write R1, but in the bracket we used to mention it as 1 by VB anta mention ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? Nothing but same ತಾನೆ?
Yes, sir.
Either I can write this because both should be reciprocal. That is what the intention. Instead of that, I have written directly 1 by R1. That's all.
Okay, sir.
Any other doubts, anyone? So everyone got the logic how to write this series parallel combination. So what are in parallel that become series become parallel, but only thing the mistake should not happen here. Current should have all the elements in parallel only. So is it fine, guys? Shall we proceed for next part?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see the remaining two more topics in this model number 1. So one is the reverse engineering. So the thing what we got this part. So electrical circuit will be given. So we have to do reverse engineering now. From this answer, we used to get back the question. So till now, what you did, it should be reverse concept. That is one type of problem. And they will give one more type where you need to prove both given system are analogous to each other. So there are two more topics left out. So let's try to wind that, and that will end your first model topics. So any doubts, anyone till here? If you have, you can ask. See, unless until you practice once, it is not so easy. If you know FI, FE analogy, there only you will get 20 marks easily. So try to practice along with rotational also you have to practice. So let's move on. Is it visible PDF?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is a problem what I was telling you. So look at the question. This is your reverse concept now. Question is visible, guys. So for the given FV analogy, you can look at here. So they asked for the given FV analogy, mechanical translation system. So you need to obtain an analogous mechanical system. So it means you have to get back a system with respect to your question now. So till now what we did, we used to get a physical system. From that we used to write equivalent mechanical, then equilibrium equation, then this electrical analogies, right? So same way, instead of doing from the answer to question, now we have to go question to answer. Sorry, answer to question. Will be given answer for you now. So this is what the final thing you should write, right? Just now we did, no? So now here they are given with respect to F V. You can look at here. For voltage, all the elements should be series. Artha hai the difference? So
Yes, sir.
if it was current, then all this should have been parallel. That is the only thing you should remember. Okay. So now look at the question. So this is a given question. So this is in your FV analogy. So first thing what you should do is count the number of meshes. So if it was Fi, you should count the number of nodes. That will tell you how many x1, x2, there is number of displacements are there. So now how many displacements you can find here?
3.
3.
3.
So it means that you should have a physical system with 3 x1, x2, x3. It means you should be having how many masses?
3 masses.
3 masses. Okay. We will try to analyze how we will get masses differently. So from where you can see the force is applied here. Force means the first one. So first mass you can consider as your force is there. So I can connect M1 anta. See, you just observe the things carefully. Between x1 and x2 there is I3. Sorry, no? Between x1 and x2 there is a I3. So it doesn't mean that there should be separate mass. I can connect one node and I can connect x3 also. Artha agtidiya? So after finding number of meshes like this 1, 2, 3, in between is what I3. I3 is there exactly between your I1 and I2. So it doesn't mean that this is separate mass. I can connect one small node and I can designate it as x3 also. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
So what is the thing you should do? You should do reverse now. So after getting this, what you should write? You should write a mesh equation. Correct, Appa?
Yes, sir.
See, everyone remember the procedure what you used to follow now. That dead opposite we have to follow to solve such kind of problem. So first one, you just go with your regular step. If a physical system was given for you, you used to plot a mechanical equivalent system. For that you used to write equilibrium equation. From equilibrium equation you used to write your FE equation, then this diagram. Correct?
Correct, sir.
Yes or no? So now you go reverse way. So I can't write directly equilibrium equation. First I want to write a mesh equation for this given electrical network. From mesh equation we can write a equilibrium equation. From equilibrium equation your mechanical system. From mechanical system physical system. Agree? Everyone agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now tell me what is the first mesh equation equals to? What is the first mesh equation?
L di by dt L1.
Oh, E equals to, you have to start with E because force is here, right?
Yes,
so
sir.
E is there. E is equals to L1. L1 alappa, L1.
Yes, sir.
And
Di
for
by
L1 it should be differentiation. Yeah. So d I1 by dt, because you have 3 currents here. You should be very specific.
Yes, sir.
So L1 d I1 by dt plus R1 into
I1.
I1. Good. Plus what is
1
C? I
by
should write C
C.
or 1 by C? Yeah, 1 by C1.
1 by C.
1 by
C1
C1 integration of
I1 dt.
I1 dt. Sarina? So this is one part. Continue. So that is not end, because
Plus
for
1
this
by
E,
C.
C2 is also there, C3 is also there. Cut and draw.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So I'm starting here, I'm tracing. See, starting point, ending point should be same. That is called as a path. So one complete or a closed path. L1 E is done, L1 is done, R1 C1. Now come to C2. So plus 1 by C2. Now what I should write?
I1 minus
Integration of.
I1 minus I2.
Very good. So because C2 is exist between your I1 and I2, so you should write I1 minus I2 into dt. Yeah, good. Plus Amala.
plus 1 by C3 integration of
Yeah,
I1 minus I3.
I3 into dt. Anything else left out? That's it, right?
Yes, sir.
So starting path, ending path is ended. So we finished first mesh equation for the given FP. Okay, na? So now tell me only for second one. Second mesh is here. So anyhow, force is not there. So 0 equals to, you can start. Here, Linda.
L2 di2 by
L2,
di2 by
2 by
dt
yes, plus,
plus R2 into I2
good, plus,
plus R3 into
here,
I2
R3,
minus
I2 minus I3. R, correct and wrong? R3
yes.
is between your I2 and I3, right? So you should
Yes,
write
sir.
R3 into I2 minus I3. Amale, C2 is there. So 1 by
1
C2,
by
what I should
C2
write now?
integration of I2
Integration
minus
of
I1.
I2 minus I1.
I2 minus I1.
I2.
Artha aita? That's it, no?
Yes,
So
sir.
starting point, ending point, over. Then last equilibrium, I mean mesh equation for I3, Eldro. I3. Only two terms you have.
0
So
is
this mesh is only two. Yeah, 0 equals to
1 by C3
1 by C3 integration of
I3 into dt.
I3
minus
minus
I1.
I1.
Plus I1.
C, so you should be very careful. Okay, na? C3 is between two mesh alapa. So since I am in mesh 3, I should write preference for I3 minus I1. Aita plus R3 into
C3 minus I2.
Minus I2.
I3 minus I2. Artha aithen ruler go. So this is
Yes,
what
sir.
your first category. See what equations you are told. Is it matching? Any doubts, anyone? Any doubts, anyone, how to write this equation?
No, sir.
Good. So now what you want? You want the conversion rate, right? So what is the equivalent thing I can write anta? That is your known from your FP analogy. ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಪ್ಪ, what is the equivalent thing you want? So what is the equivalent M is replaced with now? FP analogy, M is replaced with
L.
L. Then B replaced with
R.
R.
R. Good. Then K replaced with 1 by
1
C
by
now.
C.
So that much you remember, right? So that we
Yes.
have to implement back. See? So this is what we want now. So this I should push back here. So if you push back here, now tell me what is your first equilibrium equation becomes. What is E replaced with, guys? Voltage replaced with what? Force. Good. F first. F mention matter saku. F is equal to. What is L1 replaced with now?
M1 d square
M1.
x by dt square.
So you should write double differentiation. Though it is acceleration of a formula. So mass into acceleration. Force is equals to mass into acceleration. So M1 into double differentiation of. So I1 is replaced with
x1.
Q.
good. X Q alla, X. Okay na? X. Because I want node alla na. X1 x2 x then what I want. So I just replace M1 double differentiation of x1 by dt square. Then R is replaced with
B1.
V1. What is I replaced with now? So you should
X.
be having awareness, right?
X.
Differentiation.
D.
Bari X.
dx by dt. dx1 by
dx by
dt.
dt.
See, that's why I told, remember thing, mass bandre acceleration irbeku, dashpot ಬಂದ್ರೆ velocity ಇರಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ.
Yes, sir.
So that way you remember, then it will be easier for you. So acceleration, double differentiation, okay. So when r is replaced with dashpot, then there should be a corresponding velocity. So velocity means single differentiation. So you should have equation as b1 dx1 by dt. Sarina?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Next, 1 by c1 replaced with what, guys?
K1
K,
x1.
K1. And what is integration of I1? I can replace spring ಬಂದಾಗ ಏನಿರಬೇಕು? Just x1 ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತೇನ್ರೋ?
Yes, sir.
Any difficulties, anyone? You want me to repeat, anyone?
No, sir.
See, first remember the equivalent thing. Second, the thing what I'm cursoring, right? That you should remember. That's all. So then I should replace I with x1. So that's why replacing x1. So mass, acceleration, dashpot with respect to your velocity, and spring with respect to your normal constant node x1. Continue. 1 by c2 ಏನಾಗತ್ತಪ್ಪ?
K ಆಗುತ್ತೆ sir.
K2. So right, student, K2.
K2.
ಆಯ್ತಾ? Then what is I1, I2 replaced with now?
x1 minus
x1
x2.
x.
Good.
x1
x1 minus
minus
x2. ಆಮೇಲೆ similarly 1 by k3 replaced with
k3
K3 into
K3.
x1 minus
good into
x1 minus
x1
ಮುಗಿತಾ?
minus
So that is your first equilibrium equation. Over. Second ಗೆಳೆಗ 0 equals to
b3
m2
b3 a b3 ಗೆ m2 ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
b3
b3 into you remember b dashpot
D
ಬಂದ
by
ತಕ್ಷಣ
D.
velocity ಬರಬೇಕು.
dx
d by dt of x3 minus x2.
x2.
b ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರೋ. ಓಕೆನಾ?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall we proceed? Yeah, plus 1 by c3 replaced with
k3
k3 into
x3 minus x1
good. Last equation. So you should tell this equation correctly now. Don't make mistake. Yeah, 0 equals
m2
0 equals m2.
x2 by dt.
Double differentiation, acceleration. D square x2 by dt square. See, just I am replacing d by dt as double differentiation. I2 with x2. Asta, make it simple. R2 replace with
b2 into x2
b2.
d of x2 x2 by dt
Yes, differentiation of x2. Sarina? Next b3.
b3 into d by dt of x2 minus x3
Good. Next last one.
k2 into x2 minus x1
That's it. Any difficulties, anyone? Any difficulties, anyone, to write this equation now? So is it what just now we discussed? Artha aithendrappa ellargo?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, now look at this and you can decide what type of system, mechanical system you should have. See, even though we have 3 meshes in this, look at how many L1, L2 is replaced with M1, M2. Estappa mass bandidega? How many masses you have? Only 2 or 3?
2.
3.
2, right? Hey, mass 3 banta.
2, sir.
2 sir
How many inductors you have? That many mass aste concept. Sari alvena? In this diagram, you have 3 nodes, but masses are 2 because of L1 and L2. See, in this middle part somewhere we found L3, then we can tell that there are 3 masses. So since only 2 L1 are there, that is an indication for you number of masses are 2 anta. Artha aita? So now let's try to write that diagram. So let me minimize this. Just check out both are visible. Paint ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತೀನ್ರಾ? Guys, is it visible both?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what you want to write now? You want to write a mechanical system first ಮಾಡಿಬೇಕಲ್ವಾಪ? ಹೇಳ್ರಿ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು? This is the thing what we have. So by seeing this only you have to write. That's why I kept this aside. ಹೇಳಿ. How many notes I should mark now?
3.
3. So let's mark the notes first. X1, X2, and X3. So you have 3 notes. So name it for your reference. So X1. Let's go in order only, not an issue. Don't worry about in between and all. We'll stick on to the procedure. X2, X3. Saina. Now tell me what is there only for X1, guys? Only for X1. ಅಂದ್ರೆ I1 ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನೀವು. What is there only for X1?
L1.
M1, B1, K1.
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರನ್ರೋ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
M1, B1, K1.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಪ್ಪ.
Yes, sir.
ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಕಣ್ರೋ.
Yes.
You have to start with force always. So because this is a thing which makes you to trigger everything. So force apply ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಆಯ್ತು. So then you have L1 ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ರೆ don't write L1, it should be replaced with M1 ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. M1 ಸರಿನಪ್ಪ? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳ್ರು
B1.
B1 and K1.
So your R1 is replaced with B1 appa.
Yes, sir.
So I'm going to write. See now, all are connected in parallel. ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಗಿತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸಿಯ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ ಇವಾಗ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲ್ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಅಂತ? ಫಾರ್ ವೋಲ್ಟೇಜ್ ಆಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇನ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ನೌ force nothing but like current only, right? So for this all should be parallel. So then I should connect one spring also. So any difficulties anyone to understand to write this? So this is your B1 and this is your K1. See, we are doing reverse engineering concept now. So anything else left out for only for X1, guys? See, you can count terminals 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Over. Next, between X1 and X2. X2 ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ, X1 ಇಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಏನ್ ಬೇಕೋ?
K2.
X1 ಮತ್ತು X2. K2. So it means C2 is there. That is replaced with K2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? So I should replace a spring called K2. That is for this between X1 X2. ಇನ್ನೇನಾರು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂತ? Anything left out between X1 and X2? See diagram and tell me. That's all, huh?
That's all, sir.
Okay. Then tell me only for X2.
M2, B2.
So mass is there, M2, good.
B2.
Only M2.
So then only M2 na.
B2.
B2 also there no yaar. Here. Kattappa.
Sir.
So B2 ಇನ್ನೇನು ಉಳ್ಕೊಂತ? That's all, only M2 and B2.
Yes, sir.
Understood, guys, everyone? Now tell me between X2 and X3. So this two. X2, X3, what all things you have?
B3.
B3.
ಒಂದೇನಾ?
Yes, sir.
Correct, Anna? R3 nothing but I should replace with B3. So any difficulties anyone to write this type of diagram? So now we found this is your B3. Only for X3 on the letter. Only for X3. Any connections is there only for X3?
Yes, sir.
Only
No,
illa
sir.
because it is in between. So in between X1, X2, okay. X3 and X1 is anything is there? Look at this and tell me.
K3.
So there was C3, right? So I should replace a K3. So I will cover all the things, just count for your reference. K3. How many terminals you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is also 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So now by seeing this, I should get back the last answer. What is the last answer?
Physical.
Sure. Yes, so I should write a physical system. So by seeing this only, I have to write, no?
Sir.
Yeah, so now you tell me. See, if I say between x1, something is there and that has to be given to ground means, so we can make one barrier now. I can make one barrier, correct appa?
Yes, sir.
Ground na common ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬಹುದು ಸರಿನಾ? So I can take one common ground. See, alignment, the designing part, however you want to do, that is left to you. So we'll just stick on to the procedure, what all things to be done. So if we take this is what this part, the boundary. So now let's try to plot the first part. So first part ಅಲ್ಲಿ x1 ಇದೆಯಲ್ವನ್ರೋ, so it means m1 ಬೇಕಪ್ಪ.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So you just make randomly, not I don't worry about connection. You'll just keep a mass somewhere here. Whether you want to put a rectangular box, square box, whatever box you want, you put the box with the m1. Yeah. So now check out between x1, m1, ground, in between something else is there. So you can connect your b1 and k1 also.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that should be connected to ground and the idea barutte nimge. So I can connect ground gu matte m1 gu. Can I connect k1 like this? Okay napa?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Force is wrong. There is a force for this m1. So I can connect force wherever you want. I can connect force here also, here also, here also, here also. So since it is from ground side, let me light like this. So just mention the force F. Amele. See, B1 is there between ground. So I can connect the things in two way. See, I have told you one thing, right? Itar arrow mark kotre anta helidinappa nimge.
Yes, sir.
Did I? So point the arrow mark from the ground only to M1. If I connect, that becomes B1. Or how can we connect? I can connect one dashpot also between these two. So both are same only. Sarinappa? Is it same? Everyone?
Yes, sir.
So either you can write like this or just write arrow mark, or you can write in this way also. B1 ಅಂತನೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಈ ತರನೂ ಇದೆಯಾ ಆಪ್ಷನ್? ಸರಿ ಅನ್ರೋ?
Yes, sir.
So what are things I wrote? This is for my x1 alappa. So you can designate this with x1. That is my displacement with a small arrow mark. So this category is over. Any difficulties anyone to write a physical diagram now? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತೇನ್ರಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so x2 ಗೆ mass 2 ಜಗನ್ರಪ್ಪ. So it means somewhere some leaving some sufficient space, because in between I have to write something alappa. So leave sufficient space and you can write m2. You can write mass 2 and you can designate this as a second displacement. So this is my x2. Okay na? So now check out only for x2 what all things you have. So there is mass 2 and b2. So if you want connect dashpot, connect, or you can just write arrow mark and you can leave also. So this is my b2. Sorry, draw. Okay, now between x1 and x2, between x1 x2 ಏನಿದೆಪ್ಪ? k2 ಇದೆಯಾ? So between x2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ mass 1 ಮತ್ತೆ mass 2 ಮಧ್ಯ, ಸರಿನಾ? So I have to connect this as k2. Any doubts anyone till here?
No, sir.
Good. So now x2 x3, see x1 x2, in between there should be some x3. It is not mass. This is not mass, right? So I can mark one node where I can designate this as my third displacement and make sure that is not mass. Correct appa? Just a node connection, like how we had in the question, no? In between two mesh, one mesh, you can designate one more mesh x3. Now tell me x1 x3 ಏನಿದೆಯೋ?
K3.
Good. So this is x1 So in between this, let me connect K3 till here. So this is your K3. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಪ್ಪ x3 ಮತ್ತೆ x2 ಏನಿದೆಯೋ x3 ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಏನಿದೆಪ್ಪ B3. So I need to connect a dashpot to this 2 and connect it to M2. So this is the end of a physical system. Any difficulties, anyone to understand this?
No, sir.
That's it. See, this is the way you need to analyze any given problem in a reverse engineering concept. So whether they give FE analogy or FI analogy, just take on the procedure, keep doing the things what we did step by step, and make sure once you get this from this, you can write a physical system in this way. Am I clear?
Sir.
Good. Any difficulties, any doubts, anyone?
No,
Is
sir.
it fine, guys, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Sudanwa, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts? See, understand one problem, then you can replica. See, now you have questions with you, right? So you can do the things what we did just now. Can you do the reverse concept?
Yes, sir.
So whatever the questions we have with you, so that you can go with the reverse engineering way, and you can judge yourself whether we will get a right answer or not. Okay, na? So just a second, let me give one question only. Just make a note of this question, guys. So I want you to try out. So if we get difficulties, we can discuss in the next class, then we will proceed. Because that's all. One more last question is there, simple, for 8 more marks. So that we finished 40 marks syllabus is over. So we have covered almost 30 marks now. So tomorrow we'll try to wind your model number. Yeah. So look at the question. This is visible. This part.
Yes,
FE
sir.
analogy, the same type of problem. Yeah, I want you to copy this. So take a snap if you want. Take a snap of this. So reverse concept, same procedure what we have followed just now. Do it in the same way and get me the physical system. So try to solve this. So tomorrow we will discuss this if you have doubt. Otherwise, we will go with the last topic. Is it fine to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Snap down or not? Okay, fine. So then we'll stop here. So see you tomorrow, guys.